This question gives us four statements relating to the given equilibrium, and we need to deduce which one is true. We are given this equilibrium reaction, and the statements talk about activation energy and heat of reaction. So we need to think about the energy profile diagram of this reaction. We are told the reaction is endothermic, which means the forward reaction is endothermic. So this will be the general shape of the curve, where the reactants A and B have lower energy than the product AB. The enthalpy change, which is also called the heat of reaction, is equal to the enthalpy of the products minus that of the reactants. Since the product value is larger, the heat of the reaction is positive. Endothermic reactions have positive heats of reaction. We are told the activation energy of the reverse reaction is 50 kilojoules per mole. The activation energy of the reverse reaction is for where AB reacts to form A and B. This is the energy required by AB to reach the energy of the activated complex. Now, the activation energy for the forward reaction is the energy required by the reactants A and B to reach the energy of the activated complex. We can see that the activation energy of the forward reaction is larger than the activation energy of the reverse reaction. So this value is larger than 50 kilojoules per mole. Answers B and D must be false. If we assume all the values on the y-axis are positive, and that the value for the enthalpy of the reactants is 0, then the energy of the activated complex must be greater than 50 kilojoules per mole. So the answer cannot be C. We are left with answer A, which says that the enthalpy of the reaction is positive 70 kilojoules per mole. We can check this by finding the enthalpy of the reaction in another way. It can be found by taking the activation energy of the forward reaction minus the activation energy of the reverse reaction. We already know the value will be positive, and it could potentially be any value. So yes, it could be positive 70 kilojoules per mole. The answer must therefore be A.